Let's take example 2. A library proposed to its readers the following options concerning the annual participation in books club, which means concerning the yearly participation in a book club. For option 2, the deposit is 50,000 Lebanese lira plus 7,000 Lebanese lira for every book, which means if the client chooses option 1, he should pay 50,000 Lebanese lira and 7,000 for every book. So if the number of books is 1, he should pay 50,000 plus 7,000, which is equal to 57,000 Lebanese lira. If the number of books is x, he should pay 50,000 plus 7,000 x, which is represented by S of x. For option 2, the deposit is 75,000 Lebanese lira plus 5,000 Lebanese lira for every book, which means if the client chooses option 2, he should pay 75,000 and 5,000 Lebanese lira for every book. So if the number of books is x, the client should pay 75,000 plus 5,000 x, which is represented by S prime of x. The question is here. For what values of x is option 1 more advantageous or better than option 2? An option is more advantageous than another option when we pay less, which means option 1 is better than option 2 when S of x is less than S prime of x. So use the results you get before. So 7,000x plus 50,000 less than 5,000x plus 75,000. Now isolate unknowns from numbers. So 5,000x should move to the left-hand side and become minus 5,000x. 50,000 should move to the right-hand side and become minus 50,000. The result is 2,000x less than 25,000. Divide by 2,000 both sides to get x less than 25,000 over 2,000, so x less than 12.5. Now answer the problem. Then option 1 is better than option 2 when x is less than 12 books. Why we use 12 and not 12.5? Because the number of books couldn't be a decimal number. For the third question, what is the most number of books, which means what is the greatest number of books bought per year, for which option 1 is better than option 2? The first number less than 12.5, which is not decimal, is 12. So this is the most number of books for which option 1 is better than option 2.